Hey guys, this is Rishi Bhagwat, and today I want to show you a little artificial intelligence based application that you can actually play with and get a better feel for how AI works and what you can do to make it work for you. Of course, there is no experience required, no tech experience required. You don't have to be a geek, you don't have to know any coding. Just play along with the app and you will see what I mean. So the app that I'm going to show you today, this is a text classification app. And the first question you would ask me is, what the heck is text classification, and why should I care about it? Well, text classification is a pretty awesome thing. We've all seen Google News, and you see how Google automatically classifies the news by US and then world, local, business, etc., etc. Well, no one's sitting at Google and manually classifying the millions of articles into these categories. Google is using artificial intelligence and machine learning, specifically, if you care, to actually do this classification automatically. At the same time, when you receive an email, most of the times you'll notice that in your Google mailbox, the emails that you get are not typically the spam mails, and that's because Google uses same technology, text classification, to actually weed out the spam from your mailbox even before you get it. So you can have this awesome power of text classification at your fingertips. And today we're going to see an app related to that. And how you might be able to use it is, you may have customer reviews, maybe thousands of them, maybe historic, and you want some way of automatically classifying them. Maybe you have a ton of PDF applications or other PDF documents that you can just automatically ask the machine to classify for you. Of course, it requires some upfront effort, but once that's done, it's for good. It will always classify the documents for you in the buckets that you want it to classify in. So anyways, enough with the talking. Let me show you what this app is. For that, we're going to go to this site here, and I'll post the link to this site along with this video. But we go here, and there we go, text classification using AI. What we're going to do today with this app is that we're going to give it a goal is that we should be able to ask this app, give it any text and ask it, hey, which country is this text related to? And once you know how it works and what are the levers, you can again, make it work for any classification problem you care about. So, of course, go through this page, read through it, and then click on Start Demo. And this is where the app actually sits. On this page, what you will see is a number of articles that are already classified by the country of origin. So this is called training data. So you can see there's stuff here that's related to United States, and then if you keep scrolling down, there's stuff here that's related to India, and then you keep scrolling down, you'll see stuff that's related to China. So this is called training data. This is what we're going to feed the machine so it can learn things like, hey, the Battle of Gettysburg, Obama, Trump, US dollar, all of this is related to the US. While as the Vedic civilization in Ayurveda and yoga and BJP, Mahatma Gandhi, all of this is related to India, and so on and so forth. And then there will of course be references to, let's say, Second World War. And the machine is going to use statistical tricks to kind of figure out which portions of that are attributable to the US and which ones are to India. So that's kind of where the technology comes in. So once we've given this learning data or training data to the machine learns it, and then it is ready. You can feed it any little text snippet and expect it to classify that snippet into, in this case, buckets are the countries, right? So it can classify it into India or USA or China or any of that. Of course, so long as the snippet contains something that's relevant to the training data we are providing it with. So that's the ultimate goal. Today, though, is not about asking that question to the machine. Today, it's about training, and that's what we're going to talk about. I want you to play with these two levers here that we have, um, and really see how the amount and training quality, or rather the amount of data and the quality of data that you provide, affects the ability for the machine to predict in the future when you're giving it snippets and asking where you classify. So this is today you can play with this and see how it affects. And we're going to look at this prediction stability really here. Let's just give it, so how many rows of data to use for training? We're going to use 85% first and see what is the prediction stability. And this is where kind of your learning of how AI works is going to come into play. You're going to hear many times from tech geeks and all that, hey, make sure that the training data is there, give me the training data, and you're going to see why it's important. So right now with 85% of data that we have, the training data, this thing is predicting 97% prediction stability. You reset this, and I want you to go back and forth and keep playing and keep hitting learn and see what prediction stability you come up with. Now, once you've done this, we're going to enable very soon introduction of errors into the database, into the training data. So you'll also see how that plays with the stability. And once you have that good understanding, we are going to go to the exciting section, which will probably happen during the next video. And we'll update this app as well soon, where then you can start to ask it to classify text. And then, of course, step 3, which we'll get to probably in a week or two, is where we will allow you to actually upload your own data. Who cares about these things? Upload your own data, upload your PDF files, upload data from your text, and we're going to let you play with your own data. But today, it's all about how much data and how does it affect the prediction stability. So I hope you enjoy this this little playground, and let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, have fun, and remember, you can't break it. So enjoy. Bye.